MeghalayaPost.news.
Hagajingnya cakmat ban pinsong thu ya gajingma kebaap na gajingkiu Jingpang Bampong balatip kum ke blood cancer ban nak benta ban Pynkoit ya Jingpang Bampong lingba kita kikin jasnang balatip kum ke blood stem cell ke Dkms-Bmst Foundation India ke beri kawi na kekenhuan teriman sumpah ban yukun persya ya Jingpang Bampong kelak pelong na gajing penung kerteng ya gitu gibakwa ban aisnam menta kesengi Hak School ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. Kajing temu kani kajing penung kerteng gelong ban penselur iki kon samla gejala bagi pai ba no song gejala Meghalaya. Ban mi skmat ban penung kerteng badru ban aisnam ai lingba kata kasnam bala tip kem ke blood stem cell ke beri ke kenjasna ke bala ban Pynkoit ya ke Jingpang Bampong ni blood cancer. Lingba jong kani kesengi la pelong ru ya ke press conference da ka Dkms-Bmst Bangalore Medical Service Trust bat ke school ba USTM. Kathong ban pensa priang halor ke jingkodor jong ke jing aisnam lingba ke blood stem cell man penim ya kitu gidong pang ki basyakta ke Jingpang Bampong.
Blood cancer is a life-threatening disease that can significantly impact a person's life.
Now, blood cancer is a group of diseases that affect the production and function of blood. Now, they start in the bone marrow, but then eventually spread to other parts of the body via the bloodstream. 8% of all cancers diagnosed are blood cancers. And of 25% of all childhood cancers are also leukemias. Now, blood cancer is also a leading cause of death among children and adolescents.
Was treated by irradiation, as we all know that irradiation or chemical therapy are the common methods for treating blood. But blood cancer was not able to be corrected or recovered by the irradiation because the whole body was not able to produce the healthy fresh blood. So stem cells, as she already told, are those cells which have capability to produce different type of cells, multi types.
Prostity hospital or like this, that they are looking to the stem cells on reason. Then one write-up I saw what the function of these stem cells and all. I think not only for blood cancer, I think from other also they can treat it.
And this process is quite simple. You know, you have to register yourself as a donor and you know, wait for someone to be a match. And what inspired me initially was in my studying time. I was in college and you know, there was some events happening there and about the dreadful disease and all. And I did some research and all ki what are the possibilities of you know, curing this deadly disease. And fortunately I known about Dkms-Bmst through an advertisement and their campaign drives which happens all over India. And I registered myself as a donor through online process, and after that, you know, after I guess I registered myself on year 2021, and after a year I got a match with a little girl who was really suffering from this disease. So you know, I got a call after 1 year that you have been found a match for a girl. So I felt very fortunate that you know, I got a chance to give someone a second chance at life and really give a hope to their parents and all that they can complete the family, you know, and continue the life journey of the child. So yeah, it was a quite happy moment for me. And after that, Dkms-Bmst provided me the all you know, clarity and transparency. There's how the procedure will become and all. And it was great experience for me being a donor. Absolutely, the message will be that, you know, if we are getting a chance to create some difference and giving or providing a second chance at life to small children or the person who are suffering from this kind of disease, it really inspired and feel full of proudness moment. And it would felt very proudness moment for the lifetime. You know, you have done something that very few people are get to do. So yeah, Yeah, that was quite exciting and a bit of nervousness also I registered myself as a donor, but I did some one of the research of my own that how these things are gonna work and all, and after that I registered. I got a call and I initially told my parents in a but my mom was really concerned about the process and all. She was actually, I belong from a village just like you all, and lack of awareness is the main you know barricade in our thoughts and all. So I properly explained her, and BMST also suggested me to talk to them and all. And if any kind of assistance will be needed, they are always there to help. No, no, absolutely not. They have been each and everywhere a year. They have been, there is a call request that if you feel anything, and you can do a free checkup and or on your own, or if you feel like any weakness and all, you can come here, visit us, see a doctor, each and everything. The medical facility absolutely great.
MeghalayaPost.news.